Let's read the objective together. Point to the first word. The word is, I will put a mixed up story in order to show the beginning, middle, and end. Please read this to yourself. This week we are talking about personal narratives. Point to the title and say it for me. Personal narrative. It is a true story about an experience in your life. So a personal narrative is a story that you are telling about something that really happened in your life. So you can see this little boy, and what is this little boy thinking about? Yeah, it looks like he might be thinking about blowing bubbles. Maybe he's thinking about a time during the summer when it was warm outside where he got to go outside and play with bubbles. Now, when he shares his personal narrative, it has to have 3 parts. How many parts? Point to the first purple letter. It has to have a beginning, middle, and an end. A narrative has to have what? Nice job. I'm going to read a story to you, and I want you to listen for the beginning, middle, and end. Listen carefully as I read the story. You can follow along or you can listen. I'm reading the title. Bathtime. On Sunday, I gave my stinky dog Jeb a bath in the yard. Finally, he was clean. He jumped out of the tub and ran off. Then he tried to get out. First, I put him in a tub filled with soapy water. I hope he lets me give him a bath again. He tried to get out. Silly dog. Some of the bubbles got on his nose. He licked them off. I held him down. What do you notice about this story? Was it easy to understand, or was it a little confusing to follow? For me, I got a little confused because the little boy was sharing so much information, but it didn't really make sense. Let's listen to the story one more time, and this time it will be in sequential order. That means it'll be in order from beginning to end. Bath time. On Sunday, I gave my stinky dog Jeb a bath in the yard. First, I put him in a tub filled with soapy water. Some of the bubbles got on his nose. He licked them off. Silly dog. Then he tried to get out. I held him down. Finally, he was clean. He jumped out of the tub and ran off. I hope he will let me give him a bath again. What do you notice about the story this time? What happened in the beginning of this story? What happened in the middle of the story? What happened at the end of the story? Personal narratives have sequential order. That means they go in order from beginning to the end. So what do you see in the first picture in the beginning? What's the little boy doing? It says, on Sunday, I gave my stinky dog Jeb a bath in the yard. So you can see that he has his dog in his bath and he's got soap next to him, but the dog doesn't have soap on him yet. So he just got in the bath. What's happening in the middle picture? He's starting to get a little soapy and he's starting to clean him up. Nice. What's happening in the end picture? He looks clean and fresh and they're ready for a new day. Your turn. Put a mixed up personal narrative in order. The title is A Bad Day. Read each box and unscramble them to create a new story. Use the pictures to help you figure out what's happening. Make sure to write your new story and submit it on Class Dojo under the Monday writing activity. Good luck!